So you're gearing up for an open house to attract potential tenants to your rental property. Smart move. Hosting a successful open house can make all the difference in finding the right tenants for your property. Let's dive into some top tips to ensure your open house is a hit. First off, curb appeal is key. Make sure the exterior of your property looks inviting and well-maintained. Trim the lawn, add some potted plants, and make sure the front door is clean and welcoming. A good first impression sets the tone for the rest of the viewing. Next, declutter and depersonalize the interior spaces. You want potential tenants to envision themselves living in the space, so remove any personal items and excessive clutter. Keep the decor simple and neutral to appeal to a wide range of tastes. Now onto staging. Arrange furniture in a way that maximizes space and flow. Highlight the best features of each room and create inviting spaces where potential tenants can see themselves relaxing and entertaining. Don't forget about cleanliness. A clean and well-maintained property speaks volumes about your attention to detail as a landlord. Make sure everything is spick and span, from the floors to the countertops to the bathrooms. During the open house, be sure to greet visitors warmly and answer any questions they may have about the property. Be knowledgeable about the neighborhood, nearby amenities, and lease terms to help potential tenants make an informed decision. Encourage visitors to explore the property at their own pace and offer refreshments to make them feel welcome. Consider providing informational packets with details about the property, rental application forms, and contact information. As the open house winds down, don't forget to collect feedback from visitors. Ask what they liked about the property and if they have any concerns or questions. This valuable feedback can help you make improvements for future open houses. You can also follow up with potential tenants after the open house to gauge their interest and answer any additional questions they may have. Keep the lines of communication open and be proactive in addressing any concerns they may have. Let's delve deeper into some advanced strategies to make your open house even more effective. Start by leveraging technology to reach a wider audience. Consider using virtual tours or live streaming to showcase your property to potential tenants who may not be able to attend the open house in person. This allows you to cast a wider net and attract more qualified leads. Additionally, consider offering incentives to attendees to incentivize them to submit rental applications. This could include waiving application fees, offering move-in specials, or providing a gift card to a local restaurant or store. These incentives can help seal the deal and encourage tenants to commit to renting your property. Another key strategy is to network with other local businesses and organizations to promote your open house. Reach out to local real estate agents, community centers, and online forums to spread the word about your property. Building strong connections within the community can help you attract more qualified tenants. During the open house, be sure to highlight any recent updates or renovations you've made to the property. This could include new appliances, upgraded fixtures, or fresh paint. Emphasizing these improvements can help justify the rental price and make your property more appealing to potential tenants. Finally, consider offering flexible lease terms to accommodate the needs of different tenants. This could include month-to-month leases, short-term rentals, or lease-to-own options. By offering flexibility, you can attract a wider pool of tenants and increase your chances of finding the right fit for your property. By implementing these advanced strategies, you can take your open house to the next level and maximize your chances of finding the perfect tenants for your property. And remember, if you're looking for expert property management services in Kansas City, Alpine Property Management Kansas City has you covered. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you succeed in the rental market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights into property management.